Hello friends. In this short video lecture we are going to discuss some important birthmarks. Okay, the skin marks also we can say. The very first is port wine stain. This is the congenital capillary vascular malformation presenting as a flat reddish purple skin. Okay, so basically in port wine stain it occurs due to the dilated dermal capillaries. Okay, so it is the vascular malformation where the what is the presenting feature? It's a flat reddish purple skin patch and that present from birth itself. Okay, and most important is it present at birth, grow along with the child, means as the child grows this patch, or we can say this stain or this mark, it also grows and it do not regress or it do not disappear. This is very important. Okay, हम अभी आगे जाके एक सैल्मोन पैच पढ़ेंगे, हम स्ट्रॉबेरी एंजियोमा पढ़ेंगे, वहाँ पे हम देखेंगे कि वो डिसअपियर कर जाता है, रिग्रेस कर जाता है, बट पोर्ट वाइन स्टेन इट डू नॉट रिग्रेस and the lesion does not blanch completely and tends to darken or thicken with age. मीन्स जैसे जैसे बच्चे के एज बढ़ेगा वैसे वैसे ये जो लीजन है इट विल बिकम डार्कर और थिकन. The most common face involvement is there in areas that is supplied by the fifth cranial nerve. So this is also important. And it may be associated with Sturge-Weber syndrome. When we will say that it is associated with the Sturge-Weber syndrome when involving the ophthalmic division of the trigeminal nerve. Trigeminal nerve की 3 branches होती हैं, इसमें से जो first branch है ophthalmic division of the trigeminal nerve, when it is involved then we can say it is associated with the Sturge-Weber syndrome. So this is all about the port wine stain. Next we will look into the strawberry angioma. This strawberry angioma unlike port wine stain which do not regress, this strawberry angioma it regresses, okay, or it disappears as the age increase. So this strawberry angioma is the common benign non-cancerous vascular tumor. It is the harmless skin growth that is made up of tiny blood vessels. Okay, so when you look it will look like a reddish color, na? बेबी इज नॉर्मल एट बर्थ. पोर्ट वाइन स्ट्रेन में क्या था, जो बच्चा जब बर्थ हो रही थी बच्चे की तब से ही वो प्रेजेंट था port wine stain, but this strawberry angioma it appears after 1 to 2 weeks of birth. When the baby is born there is no mark, okay, but after 1 to 2 weeks it appears, this strawberry angioma appears and it grows up to 1 year. By the age of 9 years 90% disappears. So this is very important, the differentiating feature between the port wine stain and the strawberry angioma. Next one is salmon patch. This salmon patch also disappear, but this port wine stain it do not disappear. Strawberry angioma it disappear by the age of 9 years 90% disappear. Salmon patch it disappear by the age of 1 year. It is this salmon patch is also known as the macular stain or the stroke bite. This salmon patch also present at birth, seen over forehead and disappear by the age of 1 year. So this is the differentiating feature between the port wine stain, salmon patch and strawberry angioma. Thank you. For more such video lecture, do like, subscribe and share to my channel. Thank you.